Yo, what is going on YouTube? This quick tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get Geometry Dash vault codes in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching YouTube videos testing vault codes, and I'm going to show you the best ones, guys. You can use these Geometry Dash codes to get all icons unlocked. You can even get tons of free demon keys as well. Before I show you these vault codes for Geometry Dash, make sure you drop a like on this video and go ahead and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this video and show you all of these vault codes for Geometry Dash. So use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your codes, guys. So just do this on your mobile phone and head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it how I've typed it here. It's pretty easy to spell, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now, they don't only have Geometry Dash codes, they have pretty much every code for every game. So I'm just going to use the search bar at the top of the page and search for Geometry Dash. And this is the vault codes page here, guys. There are a few different options. You can get the game for free if you don't have it, but this is a cool one. This is going to unlock all icons or skins in Geometry Dash, and you can also get 100 demon keys for free. So you just select the code you want. I'm going to select the keys one, and this is a vault code that's going to supply your account with 100 demon keys for free. And I tested hundreds of different vault codes, guys. Most of them don't even work, or they give you pretty common stuff, but this gives you the best rewards. So you do need to unlock your personal Geometry Dash code. This basically stops people taking all of the limited codes and getting thousands of keys. You can do this once to get 100 keys. So you got to click on this button and you're going to be brought to this page, and it tells you how to get your Geometry Dash vault code. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code, and make sure you follow the instructions. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page, and you just need to select 2 of them, making sure you follow the instructions below each of them. They're really easy things like installing and opening mobile apps, answering survey questions, playing mobile games. They're all completely free. Once you fully complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Geometry Dash vault code will be revealed. So the full code will be revealed in the box. You can redeem it in the vault in game, and this one's going to supply you with 100 free keys, but you can also unlock all icons or skins as well. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. If you need any assistance getting your vault codes in Geometry Dash, let me know. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.